Hello, we're not just woken up, we're at the campsite in Lescun. The clouds are dissipating. You can actually see some mountainy stuff here. But we're just getting organised. So on this massive rock here, everything's getting dried. That's my beer for breakfast. Everything's out. This is where we slept last night. It's under this tree. That's the stuff I still need to move. And we've got a bed for tonight, but it's like a shared bunk. And I left my cash with my little cash holder in the pub last night. So today's a rest day. There's no way I could head out tonight or head out for the next stage with loads of wet stuff. But I was a day ahead anyway. I left my cash in the pub. When you're tired, the danger is you leave things on the floor. I've almost lost my Garmin 3 times. And the pub that I left the money in, I negotiated with them to give me a bottle of Coke when I left to bring to the campsite, on the condition that I brought the bottle back. And I left the bottle like over there by a tree. I left my Garmin in there. I dropped my Garmin twice yesterday and had to go back for it. So today it's just R&R. I booked my room, so I'm drying my stuff, filling my bag up, gonna shove my bag under my bed, go back into town, check the shop out, try and get a belt. The storm damaged the ground mat, so the ground mat's now useless. It has like a small puncture in it somewhere, but I've got repair tape, so I'm gonna try and fix everything up. So it's good day. The weather's in. I spoke to some guys that have been, one guy was doing the HRP from the other way. He came from the Med first and he's been through snow. He's been doing it for 2 months. He's been through snow blizzards and he said he's doing it the wrong way around because he didn't want to be in the Mediterranean in the summer where we're going to be. So everyone's telling me horror stories of they all think I'm mental. Doing this as my first trek is mental. Doing it without any alternative routes is mental. Trying to do any optional peaks is mental. And trying to do it in 44 days is mental. Apparently, in the guidebook, in the middle somewhere, there's a note that says, by the way, the timings at the front of the book, you need to add about 50%. Well, I've not found that part yet, but apparently it's in there. Yeah, so let's get organised, let's get ready. We'll start again tomorrow.